say when you say it all. You're the song I've always wanted to sing. I've waited for a love like yours so long. Yeah, baby. You're the song I've always wanted to sing. If the words would go from my heart to my head, I'd say I love you like it's never been said. Could they be hidden deep in my soul? I don't know. They'll be my goal at the end of the show. I used to sing just to keep from crying, but now I sing without even trying. Since you came, there's music in everything. You're the song